pleasant day to everyone. My speech is all about anti-discrimination law. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 13 says, "He who answers a matter before he hears it, it is fully ashamed to him." We cannot escape the reality that one of the dilemmas that we have been struggling even before is the discrimination or degrading and invalidating one's gender, status, race, age, disabilities, and religions. Numerous of victims voice out their pains, but it seems that the government didn't take this as a serious issue in our country. However, how can youth make an action towards this? How can we help minimize the Discrimination Act in our nation? According to my research, anti-discrimination occurs when a person is treated less preferred than others because of their age, gender, ethnicity, disability, or religion. Anti-discrimination also refers to the law on the right of people to be treated equally. Three anti-discrimination laws include Racial Discrimination Act 1975, Anti-Discrimination Act 1977, and Disability Discrimination Act 1992. The Anti-Discrimination Act 1997 is an act relating to discrimination in employment, the public education system, delivery of goods and services, and other services such as banking, healthcare, property, and nightclubs. The acts help unlawful racial, sexual, and other types of discrimination in certain circumstances and promotes equality and opportunity for all people. Racial discrimination can also happen when a policy or rule appears to treat everyone in the same way, but actually, it has an unfair effect on more people of a particular race, color, descent, or national or ethnic origin than others. Since the Act was passed in 1975, over 10,500 complaints have been received. The power of National Parliament to pass this overriding law arises under the external affairs power contained in Australian Constitution. Of all forms of racial discrimination to which Australia is a treaty. This is the use of power in this manner was confirmed in the landmark High Court decision in 1982. Disability discrimination is when people with disabilities face huge social barriers at jobs, education, and access to government. Disabilities also increase the chance of violence and other extreme forms of discrimination, as well as banished from family and institutionalization. In 1960s and 1970s, young activists and scholars organized as disability rights movement to improve the quality for all people with disabilities, modeled or other civil rights movements. In general, the legal rights and responsibilities of employees in relation with anti-discrimination may include that you have the same right to training, promotion, and work benefits as other employees. If you have disability, employers must provide you with special facilities or services you need to access, training, promotion, and work benefits, as long as these won't cause them unjustifiable hardships. You generally have the right to stay on your job if you have a disability or you acquire a disability after you begin the job. Having a policy that forbids harassing behaviors by employees shows that the company is proactive in protecting the rights of all employees. Disciplining or firing employees or members of management who have been proven to act in a discriminatory manner is a good defense against a claim of disparate treatment. This could help the company avoiding the expense and bad publicity, which could be a great help at the end. Anti-discrimination helps a lot of people around, the people not only from work, it helps people from schools, shows, movies. It gives everyone equal fairness on how they should get treated. And this is why I think anti-discrimination is a great solution to make the world a better place. Our world is now longing for respect, equality in all aspects for us to achieve peace. Now is the time to answer the calling. We, youth, should be the root for a change that everyone is aiming. We should practice equal treatment to everyone because we deserve to be treated equally. No matter what your gender is, your age, your religion, your race, may you have disabilities or you haven't, we all deserve respect because every individual's life matters. Again, will show to the world that we, the youth of today's generation, the nation builders and the future holders, is still a hope of the nation.